F that skirt, giving me a camel toe.
I'm so embarrassed.
If you're not this one size,
You
can't
are
wear
not
it.
allowed to wear that.
That's rude. Before I start, I'm like covering the camera lens. I got new hair. Are you guys ready? Hopefully look really different right now, but I got my hair done yesterday. I realized that I forgot to film an intro for this video, so this is my new hair for the next couple weeks, which I'm so excited about. I think it looks so cute. My hand on the wall. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It took 8 hours. Also, before I start, definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be having a whole bunch of giveaways on there, and you have to be following me on there to enter. It's just at Krazyrayray. Anyways, enough with my hair. So my mom and I are gonna be trying on Brandy Melville's one size clothing. I didn't know they had only one size for most of their clothing. And my mom and I are gonna try on the same outfits and see how it fits on 2 different body types. So I'm pretty much like a size 4 usually, and my mom's like a 10 to a 12. I'm really interested to see how it's gonna fit. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Hold up, I have something important to say. We have a sponsor for this video, which I'm so excited about because, hold on, let's sit down for this. Okay, we're all situated and sat down, but I'm really excited because I'm partnering with Simple Health. So when I found out about Simple Health, I was like, I need to tell you guys about this. It's literally such a big game changer for women's health. Like, I wish I knew about this like from the very beginning. So if any of you guys are on birth control or looking to get on it or back on it, then you know how annoying and difficult that whole process is. It's sometimes a lot. I feel like it can be really annoying and difficult just figuring out like what birth control you want to get on, refilling it, and renewing your prescription. It's just like a lot, to be honest. Bless Simple Health, they literally made an online birth control prescription and free home delivery, which literally makes your life so much easier. So pretty much how it works, I'll show you guys. Go to simplehealth.com/Sarai and fill out an online health profile with your medical history, conditions, and birth control preferences. So yeah, whether you already know the exact brand you want or need something to skip periods or manage acne, Simple Health definitely has you covered. Like, they got you, boo. There's a licensed doctor on there and they'll review your information and determine which birth control you're a good candidate for or which birth control best suits you and write you a prescription, which this is so clutch. After all that, your birth control will ship to your door for free on a reoccurring schedule, so you don't have to worry about refilling your prescription or any of that. Woo! I've been on the arm implant for almost 2 years. One of the reasons why I didn't go on the pill is because I knew I would forget to take it. Also, I want you guys to know that even though I'm partnered with them, I would still be talking about this because this is so important to me, and Simple Health is rated 5 stars out of hundreds of women, so I'm not the only one. And Simple Health is free with most insurance plans, which is amazing. So pretty much you can pay absolutely nothing for this service like every month. But if you don't have insurance, it starts at $15 a month, but it's free shipping. I do want to mention that this isn't a replacement for checkups or anything with your doctor. Like, you still need to go in person to do that. This is just the most convenient way for birth control. The annual prescription is usually $20, but you guys can get it for free. So just go to simplehealth.com/Sarai. Ew, that dance. Anyways, or you can use the code Sarai at checkout and you'll be all set. I'm done blabbing away. So now let's get into my mom and I going to Brandy Melville. Kind of nervous. Let's go. We're currently at Brandy Melville and we're gonna go in and look at the clothes and get some stuff. I'm gonna have like different categories. I'm gonna get a shirt, a dress, a jacket. So we have like options, I guess you would say. Let's do that. I also pretty much just chugged my triple espresso, so I can't wait to be shaky. Woo! Woo! We're currently at Brandy Melville. My mom's like staring at me. Hi. I'm ready to go. So mostly everything has one size. These look really comfy. I feel like that's so crazy. Like, how is it one size? So, let's try this on. Okay. My mom and I just got back from Brandy Melville. Oh, look at the camera. Oh. Brandy Melville sizes says one size. Some of the pants are like different sizes, right? Small,
yeah,
medium,
small,
or
medium,
large.
yeah.
I'm really confused because some of this stuff, how is this one size fits all? Like, my big toe could fit into this. We're both gonna be trying on some of this stuff. We're gonna see if one size actually fits all, which it doesn't. I don't know why they don't have a bigger size range. I don't really like that.
I know that I'm not gonna fit in these clothes at all. Like, literally, they may go up to my knees.
I think it's really discouraging. Like,
it is very discouraging.
Yeah. Yeah, to start off, I'm about 5'7", and I usually fit into like a 4 to 6.
And I'm 5'5", and I wear, like, the bottoms go, I wear like a 10.
I feel like it'll be really nice to see if one size actually fits all with Brandy Melville. I don't think it will. I think it's rude.
I rather it be one size fits all and it be too big on somebody
Yeah.
than to literally like one size fits all and hi, I can get you up to my knee.
Yeah. I have different categories. We're gonna try on the first outfit right now, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the first outfit. It's like pretty tight right here. I'm really confused how this is one size fits all, but it's really cute. I can feel my
Skin.
my fat,
No,
my
skin.
fat going over the waistband. Really tight. The top is a little loose, which is cool. Whew! No, this will definitely fit.
Oh yeah, you wanna see my... Maybe they're like, if you're not this size, this one size, you shouldn't wear this. Maybe.
That's horrible.
I bet you that's what it is.
I think it's stupid though.
If you're not this one size,
You
you
can't
are
wear
not
it.
allowed to wear that.
That's rude. Brandy Melville, we need answers now.
Brandy, are you there?
Brandy,
Look,
hello. I feel like this is like literally a size 4 or a small in this skirt, because usually I'm like a medium.
Yeah.
And this is like pretty tight, so I don't know what's going on here, but I'm not feeling it. I think the outfit's really cute, but I just not a fan of that. So yeah. Now my mom's going to try it on.
Well, kind of.
What's up? She is back. You look fine. We're not gonna try a skirt because it literally F that skirt. Oh yeah, show them.
Girl.
Like, excuse me? Love that. I like my outfit. Looks so good.
I don't really think so, and the reason why is, you ready? But like, you could totally see back fat and stuff. So like,
Yeah, with me too. My bra fat.
see, I don't like that.
Woo! Booze in the truck. This is the next outfit, and this is the tank top, and I know, I feel like it gives me a camel
does.
toe.
It
literally
seriously does.
Guys, it's so tight, it's giving me a camel toe. So, I'm blurring that, just, yeah. So, these sweatpants are like really cozy, and I really like them. So I felt like these sweats were gonna be like loose, but they're pretty tight, obviously. So yeah, I don't know, it literally barely even fits me, which is...
Look, I'm not gonna lie,
sad.
that's such a cute outfit on you, minus the camel toe.
Yeah.
But it's really a cute outfit. Well, it kind of goes up your butt too. See,
Does it?
Yeah. What?
What the heck? This outfit's really cute.
I agree.
But what is going on?
Want to try the sweats on? No.
Do you want to try the sweats
No.
on? Okay, the sweats, not working. Oh! Okay then. So we have the sweats. Now that is a look. Oh no. You guys, I'm so embarrassed, and I'm literally... I know, shout out to my mom, for real though. Looking. Okay.
Hold on, am I old? Because I'm not a fan.
Yeah, they're kind of, what are kind of pants are
They're like
these?
high water 1960s
I don't
plaid
know what's going on here,
Christmas
but
story. I don't know.
I look stupid though. I could barely button this, to be honest, so also it like really gives me a camel toe, I feel like.
And look, it like pushes so tight in your skin.
Do you see that?
Turn it sideways.
It like bulges everything out. So yeah, I can barely breathe in these. I also have this jean jacket, which is one size. Oh, this is cute. Okay.
Yeah, that's very cute.
I like this jean jacket. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I really like the jean jacket though.
I do too.
I think it's like a good size. I don't know.
Well, I'll be judging how it goes.
If I sat down, it would definitely break, but if the pants were longer, this outfit's not it though.
No.
Are you kidding me? Wait. Oh no. Isn't that stupid though? Wow, it makes your boobs like really perky. You look like you're about to fight. Okay, so this is the tank top. These pants are so tight, like try to even like put them on. Like I struggled. Hate that. I think this tank top is cute.
No, it's not cute.
It makes your boobs look really good. Like hello.
Yeah, 'cause they're like...
They're like hello. Oh, that's cute. You look like a cowgirl. Oh, ye to the haw. Giddy on up here. I think this is cute. I think, yeah. You look so young and hip. So that's what the jean jacket looks like.
Please. And it's my butt right here.
Your butt?
Doesn't it look like a butt? Look. Hi.
I think the jacket's cute. What do you think about it?
Yeah, I like the jacket.
Love that. Woo!
Oh.
This is the next one. These are the shorts and the sweatshirt. The head hole was so hard to get on. Like I could barely fit my head through it. I don't know, for a sweatshirt, I like it to be a little bit bigger.
And it goes up your butt too.
Yeah. The shorts definitely don't fit right, but yeah.
But at least you can put them on. Like,
Mom, wait, come in and put that on. Like, show them how small the head thing is on
I
that.
really don't know if I can fit into this. What if it gets stuck on me?
The head is so small.
You guys, I'm literally not being dramatic here. I can't get this on.
I was struggling. Guys, do you see that? It's so hard to get on. Not about it. This is the last item, and this is just the shirt. These are my sweats, so ignore that. But guys, it's so tight on my arms. I can barely breathe in this. But I think the shirt's cute. It's just pretty tight. Yeah. Also, we're not trying to like bash Brandy Melville. Hopefully open their eyes a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's important to make them aware that, okay, it's one size, and you're right, it doesn't say one size fits all, but it does say one size, and I think that it makes people feel certain ways if they're not that one size and can't fit into the clothing.
Yeah. Yeah, now on to my mom's turn. I wish you guys could see this right now. Okay, so this is the last one.
I know. Hold me back.
Okay. It fits though. It fits. But doesn't it, my arms hurt in it. Like I couldn't even,
Look, I can't breathe. So just a fun fact, when Sarai was little, she'd be like, Mommy, look at her cartilage. Look at her cartilage. I'm like,
I meant
cartilage?
cleavage.
And she meant cleavage.
Why was I even looking at people's cleavage?
I don't know.
I'm a little creep. Yeah, so that's all of the outfits. Do you want to put your regular clothes on?
Yes, please.
Okay. Shout out to my mom. Better.
This is the life. Shout out to Nike. Got a size that fits.
Oh my goodness. Officially all done trying those on. Oh my god, my extensions look so ratchet. Let's not look at those.
Yeah, so we are
Brandy Melville, if you're watching this, you should have a bigger size range because this is stupid. Yeah. Also, I'm not trying to hate. I'm just trying to like spread awareness. Like, this isn't really cool. I don't know. Maybe it's their brand, but I think it's stupid. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know if there's any other brands you guys want me to do with the one size thing, and I will do it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.